welcome back to Piano with Nick. I'm here with another video. Okay, so we are looking at so the song was done in the key of G, okay, but I'm playing the key of F. Okay, so without much ado, in the key of F, this is 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and the 1. Okay, so basically we are in the key of F. So if today is your first time coming across my video, kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, this helps the channel grow to new audience to help advance the kingdom of God musically. Okay, so please kindly do me a favor by subscribing to the channel and putting on the bell notification so that anytime I post a video, you will be the first to get it. Okay, so without much ado, let's check the chord progression. Okay, so this has the verse and the chorus. Okay, so we'll be looking at the verse first. Okay, so the verse, they are doing this. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm doing this. Basically, I have the D, A, D on the left, right, and I have the A, D, and F. Okay, then the second chord they did was this. Okay, so I have the C, D, C, G, and C on the left, right hand is doing the J, C, and E. Okay, then we move to this. Left hand I have the B flat, right hand I have the F, B flat, and D. Okay, then we move to this. Okay, basically I showed you this chord already. Then they will start again. Okay, so you know the counting is 2. Okay, so you strike the chord 2 times before you move to the next chord. Okay, so you go like this. 1, 2, then you move. 1, 2, then you move. 1, 2, then you move. So like that. This Yahweh. Okay. Okay. So I'm doing this. For the first chord, I have the B flat and F on the left. Right hand is doing the B flat, D, and F. Okay. Then we play this chord. D, A, D. Right hand is doing the A, D, and F. So I have the C, G, C. Right hand is doing the G, C, E, and J. Okay, so basically you can omit this. Okay, you can leave this out or add it. Okay. Okay. Then we'll move to this particular chord. Okay, the left hand I have the A and E. Right hand is doing the A, C sharp, and E. Okay, then we move to this particular chord again. The D, A, and G. Right hand is doing the A, D, and F. Then we move to this particular chord. Okay, B flat and F on the left. Right hand is doing the B flat, D, and F. Okay, so basically I have the C on the left, right hand is doing the J, C, and E. Then we already know this chord, so you know we have this. So basically that's how the progression goes. We call it a day. I'll see in another video. Okay, bye.